what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video and I'm back with another Soul Store haul. This will be part 2 of it because मैंने और ज़्यादा shopping की and more products have come through. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll leave the link up over here. वो उसमें मैंने ज़्यादा tank top दिखाया था, tops, crop tops, vests that I've picked up from Soul Store. और आज के haul में I'm gonna talk about all the oversized t-shirts, shirts that I've picked up from Soul Store. I have a bunch of them right over here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Let's start with the shirt first because ये एक ही shirt मैंने order किया है and this is how it looks like. Now this is supposed to be like an off-white color but for some reason in person काफी ज़्यादा ये dull लग रहा है. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera but in person it's looking very used up and dull. Another thing that I really like about this is the way this top is. It's not a cotton material. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा soft, comfortable material है and थोड़ा ये textured भी है तो आपको ज़्यादा इस्त्री की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. It's very soft, comfortable on the body and I love the way it flows on my body. But if you have that problem where the shirt just starts opening up over here, this is gonna do that. इसके लिए मैंने इसको actually एक size ऊपर लिया था. This is in the size medium and it does not fit me very tight. Okay, it's a little bit loose but still I feel like it's opening up over here near the chest area, which I'm not a big fan of. It has a little bit of ruching at the side, which again for some reason is just fitting very loose over there and it's not giving me the kind of look that it's supposed to give. You know what I mean? It has this long sleeve over here which I like and overall मुझे इतना कुछ खास ये लगा नहीं जितना मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था उससे ये थोड़ा डाउन प्ले हुआ है. So I'm definitely gonna return this. Not a big fan of it, so I would give it a 5 out of 10. Moving on to the oversized t-shirt part, the first one I picked up is the Certified Baddie Powerpuff Girl t-shirt. Like, look at that print. I'm obsessed. Like, if you aren't a fan of Powerpuff Girls, are you really a 90s kid? You know what I mean? Love the print. It's looking so good. It's giving that vintage vibe and yet it's not looking dull. You know what I mean? So yeah, it's like a perfect print. Love it. I love that it's not very neon, like very bhadak. It has a very muted tone to it and it's still giving all the bad vibes. Love that. It's oversized. I picked it up in size medium and it fits me perfectly. All oversized t-shirts from Soul Store medium size fits me perfectly, so मैं mostly medium ही उठाती हूँ. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Love the way it flows. Also this material, it's not super thick, it's not very thin and flimsy as well. It's right in between, very comfortable, perfect for the Indian weather and it's very soft and comfortable on the body. The first thing I noticed is how the way it flows and fits on the body. You know, oversized में it can be a hit and miss. कपड़े के quality से how it feels and flows on your body, it makes a huge difference. The way the sleeve hit and the length, everything about it is a hit for me. A 10 out of 10. If you're interested, definitely grab this one. Absolutely love it. Next, let's talk about the one that I'm wearing right now because this is the one I'm most excited about. If you're a Harry Potter fan, close your eyes, pick this one up because it's so freaking good. The quality, the way it fits on me, the print, everything about it is a 10 on 10. Now I picked up the Gryffindor one. इसमें Slytherin वाला भी है, the green one. If you are interested in that, you can pick both, but I definitely wanted this one. It's so freaking good. Let's talk about the quality. It's a heavy premium gauze fabric and as I said before, Soul Store ka, this is one of the best fabric that I've picked up so far, hands down. So yeah, if you're interested, grab it. I love the way it fits and the way it flows. You can see the way the sleeves hit. It's like perfect and इसमें भी काफी सारे छोटे details है. यहाँ पर Hogwarts लिखा हुआ है. यहाँ पर भी थोड़े details है. The back has details, the front has details, and this is more of a jersey material, so oversized jersey material. And I absolutely love the way it fits. Love the neckline on this, and yeah, I can't really complain about anything. I just love everything about it. It's a 10 out of 10. Grab it, run and grab it. This is the next oversized t-shirt I picked up. ये भी काफी टाइम से मेरे wish list में था and I finally picked it up. इस पे लिखा हुआ है spiritual gangster and I feel like this is so apt and so girly. I love the color combination. This cream, almost like a butter yellow color with this pink contrast and black piping detailing. Everything about it is like slay. एंड यहाँ पर भी थोड़े से फ्लोरल डिटेलिंग दिए हुए हैं हियर एंड ऑल्सो ऑन द स्लीव. वेरी फेमिनिन, वेरी गर्ली एंड येट इट हैज लाइक अ एज बिकॉज इट्स लाइक एन ओवरसाइज टी शर्ट एंड यू कैन लाइक मिक्स एंड मैच विद अ बंच ऑफ स्टफ. एंड यहाँ पर ये जो पिंक डिटेलिंग है इट्स लाइक अ डबल कपड़ा, इफ यू कैन सी. या सो या दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. इसका मटीरियल जो है इट्स नॉट सिमिलर टू दिस, इट्स मोर ऑफ लाइक अ कपड़ा, कॉटन कपड़ा मटीरियल, नॉट द जर्सी मटेरियल. एंड आई विश ये जर्सी मटेरियल होता तो और भी प्यारा लगता. आई फील लाइक अगर ये जर्सी मटेरियल होता आई वुड हैव लाइक्ड इट अ लिटिल बिट मोर बेटर. एंड या दिस इज इन द साइज मीडियम. पीछे कुछ भी नहीं है इसके. एवरीथिंग, द होल प्रिंट एंड एवरीथिंग इज इन द फ्रंट. आई रियली लाइक इट एंड आई लव द side black panel as well. I think it adds a lot to this oversized t-shirt and the neckline is very similar to the one that I'm having right now. Yeah, overall I would give it a 8 out of 10. I love this one as well. And the last item in today's haul is this oversized t-shirt. Again, the color combination I love this gray with this baby pink and black. I think it just looks so good. And this is again an oversized t-shirt. अगर आप देखोगे ये Looney Tunes का print है इस पे. It has like a racing track thing and the print is only in the front. There is no print in the back. One thing I wanted to point out is इसका material थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही पतला है for my liking. I feel like ये बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाएगा. Like I can just tell the कपड़ा is very पतला. It feels very soft and comfortable on the body, but I can just tell कि ये ज़्यादा टिकने वाला नहीं है. Also the print, I feel like they could have done a little bit better job. It just looks like worn, used, धोकर दिया हुआ. थोड़ा already वो like हो गया टाइम इसको, ऐसा वाला फील आ रहा है. I don't know why. And the pink detailing over here, this is more of like a net fabric. अगर आप देखोगे ये see through है. So this is more of like the workout wear kind of fabric right over here. Other than that, yeah, I love the way it flows, the way it fits, but मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा I don't know, इतना कुछ पसंद आया नहीं, थोड़ा old लग रहा है for some reason. So I'll definitely give this back. I'm not a big fan of it. I love the print of it. I had high hopes, but I think they could have done a little better with the quality of the kapda, the print and everything. थोड़ा vibrant और अच्छा दिखता तो I would have definitely kept this. So yeah, that's my verdict on it. I would give it a 6 out of 10. And that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products का link मैंने description में दे दी है. Do not forget to check them out. Also, Kickstarter deals are now live on Amazon. Grab massive discounts on your favorite brands. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Anywhere you go,